Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So as you can see by the thumbnail, I'm building another Lego knockoff kit, and I'll get the camera turned around and we'll take a look at what we've got going on today. So today I am going to start the NifeliZ, I don't know exactly how to pronounce that, but NifeliZ Tiger 1 World War II tank, heavy tank. Again, this kit comes with a whole pile of numbered bags, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different steps, and all the bags for each step. The bag of miscellaneous tracks, some rubber hoses, a bag of unnumbered stuff, and a bag of the crew here. I know the tank takes 5 in a crew, and this only has 4, so we'll see if there is a 5th crew member or the captain. Kind of neat. This kit comes with these, they call them storage boxes. So these are made to set up and open these bags up and dump the parts into the bag, so you can kind of rummage through to see what you need to build. So again, I don't know how long it's going to take to build this kit. We'll see what it's going to be like. I'll get the I'm not going to do a time lapse on this. I'll probably come back and show you each step like I did with the Beatles build. So without any further ado, I will get started on this kit and we'll bring you guys back once I get some of this stuff done. Okay, I just kind of want to show you how far I've made it on this. I'm at step 3 now. I've got steps 1 and 2 done, and this is what's done on there. The complete chassis and driver and radio operator's compartment is done. So I've still got all this stuff yet to do. This bag of stuff here is not used. That's for the RC version. I guess this comes in a remote control version. So I am going to put some stills up, I think, of what this looks like inside, so you can look at it. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'll bring you back when I've got some more of this done. Well, I've got this Tiger 1 complete. Now I'll just do a little bit of kind of a walk around of it here, show you what it looks like, and then we'll talk about a few things. So overall, it went together pretty good. I'm impressed with how well it does go together. It doesn't fit as good as Lego, but pretty darn close. The instructions are not bad. You do get confused on some of the colors, so that's why you see some of these colors in here maybe a little bit wrong, just because the instructions are kind of confusing on what color you're really supposed to use there. So I'll kind of break this down here in pieces, and I'll show you kind of what we've got. So we've got the 88 millimeter gun here with a representation of the muzzle brake onto the turret. The turret is well done. Again, German armor always had escape hatches for the amount of, or hatches for the amount of crew people that were involved. So this tank held a crew of 5. So you've got an escape hatch here. You've got a hatch here that opens up. You've got the hatch over here for the commander that opens up, right? And then you've got the 2 hatches. If we swing this way, we've got the hatches, these hatches here also. Let me see if I can do this one-handed here. These hatches also open up for the driver and the radio operator. So that's pretty neat. Again, we've got, I'll just close these hatches up here. The turret comes right out like so. And this piece will close down, and we can actually see inside here where the loader and the gunner would sit, and they sit right down in right down in here in the turret. And then we've got gearbox in here, and we've got some of the drive components back in here in the hull. These also open up, and we've got your cooling fans in here, and I think this opens up here. Let me just see if I can pick this open. This opens up in here, and we've got the Maybach V12 gasoline engine in here, and these also open up here. Let me just pop this off of here. These open up in here, where we've got jerry cans and where they would fill it with fuel. And then we've got ammunition storage right back in there. This whole top piece again, without, see if I can get this broken down here. This whole top piece pulls out of here, and we can see more of it revealed. The shell, 88 millimeter shells, and a lot of the interior. So this kit is very well detailed. I'm pretty well impressed. Again, we've got, I'll just move this out of the way. We've got working bogie suspension in here. You can kind of see how that works. That would have been the torsion bar suspension on the tank. And we've got the 30 millimeter or the 50 millimeter gun here. And we've got the spare track in here in the front, down in here. And we've got the exhaust right back in here. So overall, it's a really cool kit. So my overall impression of this kit is probably an A to a A-. It goes together very well. And if you want to add armor to your Lego collection, which Lego does not build any type of armor or war type of kits, I would highly recommend this. And like I said, it's a pretty easy build, 1,776 pieces. It's very well representative of a Tiger I tank, considering it's built out of blocks. So yeah, if you're interested in adding military stuff to your Lego collection, I would highly recommend this. And thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you nothing. We're almost at 1,000. I think we're about 38 people away from 1,000 subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button, and let's see if we can get 1,000 subscribers before Christmas. We'll talk to you guys later on the next one. Bye now.